Guys, everywhere don't scatter. As I dey talk to you right now, Twitter dey burn. Twitter dey burn like hot water. One old video of Tinubu, he don surface. He and the governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, for inside one private jet for Guinea. Now one reporter, courageous reporter, now he upload the video today. Just go to their page now for Twitter. You'll see everywhere don't crash for there. And inside the video, you'll see one parcel. And they wrap the parcel. And the parcel fall down. The moment the parcel fell down, the Lagos State governor Sanwo-Olu quickly use them to cover the parcel. And people now they ask, waiting they inside that parcel for the video. And some people even they query, did he carry Agbado or Congo to Guinea? Guys, as me and you they talk now, if you go to this page now, Regents reporter, everywhere don't crash for there. Nigeria now don't the trend. Tinubu don't the trend for there again. Guys, I don't want to waste your time. Just watch the video and take time to observe the video very well. You see one parcel. They even zero that circle with red. They just underline the parcel. I don't know waiting there inside the parcel. If you even see where and you know waiting there inside the parcel, just comment on the comment section. Let me know waiting there inside the parcel. Guys, don't forget to share this video. Thank you.
Hey, tiens, donne-lui ça. Donne-lui ça, tu dis de le mettre à Mara.
Avion est filmé. Est-ce qu'on donne la photo là? Ah, on a l'offre pratique.
Oh, qu'ils ne vont pas au même endroit. Allez, il y a un autre hélicoptère. Le deuxième est parti aussi. Le deuxième est parti. Hein?
C'est bon, vous n'avez pas l'avocat est disponible.
Thank you.
You want us to follow him like this again?
Il y a un autre hélicoptère. Le deuxième est parti aussi. Le deuxième est parti. Hein?
C'est bon, vous n'avez pas l'avocat est disponible.